Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super important topic, APR versus APY, and how compound interest can make a big difference in your finances. If you're saving for the future or dealing with loans, understanding these terms could save you money or help you earn more. Let's jump right in. First off, what's APR? APR stands for annual percentage rate. It's basically the yearly interest rate you'll pay on a loan or earn on an investment, but it doesn't account for compounding. That means it's a straightforward rate without considering how interest builds over time. For example, if you have a credit card with a 10% APR, you're charged 10% per year on your balance, but that's it, no extras. Now, enter APY, annual percentage yield. This is where things get exciting because APY factors in compound interest. Compound interest is like interest earning interest on itself, which can supercharge your growth. So, if you have an account with a 10% APR compounded monthly, your APY will actually be higher than 10% because you're earning interest on the interest each month. That's the magic of compounding. Let me break it down with a quick example. Suppose you invest $1,000 at a 5% APR. If it's simple interest, just APR, after 1 year, you'd have $1,050. But if it's compounded monthly, your APY might be around 5.12%, turning your $1,000 into about $1,051.16. Over time, that extra $1.16 adds up, especially if you're investing for years. Why does this matter? In 2025, with inflation and interest rates fluctuating, choosing investments based on APY can lead to better returns. For loans, a lower APR might seem great, but always check the APY to see the real cost. Remember, the more frequent the compounding, the bigger the difference between APR and APY. To wrap it up, APR is your base rate, while APY shows the true earning potential with compounding. Make sure to compare these when banking or borrowing. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below. What financial topic should we cover next? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.